Hey guys, it's me, it's PC Franklin County 373 here, and as you can see, there's a lot of speaking going on. We have a lot of weather radios playing here today, and that is because it is Wednesday, December 20th, 2023, and it is weekly test time. It is finally here. Christmas break is here, and yeah, we're all here, we're all happy. Now, apparently this thing doesn't want to listen to me. So I'm gonna have to move you for a second. Apparently that's not a good result. Okay, I see what's going on here. So I see that you want to be here. Is that part? Okay. Or unless you want to be here. Come on, you have to choose. You can't float in the air, you have to choose. You see, we're gonna go here. That's final. Okay. Alright, so, it's 10:57, so it is finally winter break. We have 2 weekly tests we're gonna be doing here. One today, one next Wednesday, 27, when I come back from Christmas break. So, on YouTube. This is my last, EAS, before my break from YouTube, so I will say a final farewell after all the tests are done. But for now, let's go ahead and point out all those stations we have, as if it wasn't already obvious that I've done for the past 5 months. CatJ6, 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 WWG7, CatJ6, KJY68. KIG86, look at KIG86. Anyways, let's go ahead and get ourselves ready for this weekly test before Christmas. We have 4 days left until Christmas, so let's make it a good one. Alright, guys. I know this is a huge mess right here. Alright, here we go. I'll be back when the weekly test comes. Joining me for this weekly test, for the special one, is... Yep, NJWR here. And, yeah, we have kind of a special EAS compilation here involving weekly tests. We are also involving Liam QC 2009 with us. And, so, yeah. Alright. 1 minute to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, it is time. Yeah, there we go. It is time. Oh, wow. Who's doing that? Oh, it's WWG7. Look at that, right on the dot. Okay.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. At 10 in the morning.
Alright, look at that. Look who did it right on the dot. WWG7 coming in right at exactly 11 a.m. It seemed a little quieter than normal. Oh, it's quieter because it's just one station. So basically, WWG7 is not my main station. It only serves one radio. So yeah, all the other radios are gonna go off in a second. Yeah, Liam kind of said that. All right, waiting on KIG86 coming in. Pretty. There we go. You're supposed to be at a high line.
potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign,
There goes KJY 68.
Madison. This is the National Weather Service in Wilmington, Ohio, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station TRG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Rest of today, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight is a mostly clear day. The test will be postponed to the next available good weather. Lows in the upper 20s. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning. More noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Fairfield, Fayette, Hawkins, Jackson, Chipaway, Pike, Ross, and Benton. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KJY, 68 Chillicothe, Ohio. Now here.
Okay, that was surprisingly early.
Highs in the 70 degrees and the relative humidity.
Are you gonna do it? I want to see if I can get WSG93 to do it.
The barometric pressure was 30.41 pieces.
Can we get?
For selected cities in Ohio and
Can we
Indiana.
get 2 weekly tests or 3, 4?
Over northeast Ohio, Cleveland fair, and 33. And in Indiana at Fort Wayne, partly sunny, and 36. Once again at 11 a.m.
Let's see.
At the Lima, Allen County Airport, it was 37 degrees under fair skies. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes.
We'll see that in a second. We'll see. Alright, WSG93 credits are already tested. So, very early at 11:08, that concludes the weekly test before Christmas. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, this is my last video before the Christmas break on YouTube. I will be back on the 26th. And so me and everybody else here wishes you a very Merry Christmas and a happy healthy holiday. And we will see you guys on December 26th. The I'm Back from Christmas video will be made on December 26th with maybe a new camera. And I will see you guys a little bit later. Yep, so again, have a Merry Christmas, and yeah, enjoy time with your family, like what I'm gonna do. Alright, guys, bye.